cap on so I can put the wig on. I still have to wash the wig, and really, yeah, I need to wash the wig. Go ahead, glue this down, and put it on. What I use for this is the Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray, extreme firm hold, because I need that stuff to stick. But just let y'all know, I'm not a pro at this. I do what I can do. Okay, I'm a mom of 3. I really don't got time to do all the critique stuff. If it lasts for a month, okay, cool, let's move on. But I'm not like perfect at this, so don't judge. So I'm about to spray this on. Ooh, it's so cold. And I gelled my edges down because I'm not trying to be bald headed. I did that before and I regretted it. So I already gelled my edges down. About to blow dry it right now. Okay, so I blow dried this. That took forever, man. I don't like that. The wig is from Amazon. I'll post pictures of the wig somewhere in this video. A 26-inch deep body wave lace front human hair, which is really cute. But it feels very soft and it is very pretty, but it does have a scent. I really don't like it. It smells like burnt breath, burnt cheese. It smells like that. But look at them curls. It's very cute, bouncy. Here's the lace. We're gonna fix all of that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it a little bit, and then I'll let you know how it is. Because as I'm running my hands through it, there's no shedding. But we'll see how it is after I wash it. I'm gonna be so sad if it does some crazy stuff after I wash it. But look at it. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. I'm finally done. I'm gonna spray a little bit more. It's just to secure. And then I'm gonna put some foundation on the cap and on the lace front. To be honest, I don't even think this even matters that I do this because I'm gonna do bangs. It's okay. It's okay. Now I'm about to see how it will look like. I'm trying it on really quick. Ooh, it's been so long since I had a wig on. Okay, so I would say this. The wig seems to be for the girlies with a bigger head. Even though I got a big forehead, but you gotta have like a bigger head to fill it out. If that makes sense. Because it's literally over my ear.
That is the
Okay, anyways. Yes, this is definitely for the girlies with bigger foreheads. I mean, not bigger foreheads, bigger heads. What? How am I supposed to put this on my head? Okay, so the glue that I'm using is the Ghost Bond XL. This is my first time using it. I hope it's good. I used to use I think it was the Wonderlace Bond glue too, but I wanted to try something else. If this sucks, I'm gonna be really mad. about to blow dry this for a little bit and then put the wig on. Y'all, it's over my ears. Like, look at that. Let me see something. Let me see something. Why? It's just probably just gotta stay up there. Just take that sacrifice ear. You know, I already can't hear enough. It's cute though. It's just like the size cap, like, or whatever it's called, like the wig cap. Like, who head is that big? And it doesn't give you an option to pick what size either. So, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this around so I can secure the wig. Then I'm put the straps. Hold on, let me show you. And I'm sorry, I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking at myself. But I'm gonna use the straps that they gave me to secure it as I am blow drying it. But in the meantime, I am gonna get dressed because, you know, I was trying to leave the house at a certain time, and of course that doesn't happen, but it's okay. I'm about to cut this off. This is the part that I really don't like. But yeah. See, this is why I hate this part. Okay, oh well. Look at that, all the way to my ear. Cutting this, like cutting, well obviously I'm cut this, but slanted, like cut this part. Because I'm not doing no slick back stuff, I'm doing bangs because that's just my thing. Just that part needs to go. Because I need my ears. Oh yeah. Yep. That's just what I needed to do. To freaking hear, to see my ears. That was a genius toy. Genius. Okay. That's that. We're gonna fix that. Okay? We're gonna fix that. Getting somewhere. Okay, so now the same thing with this. I'm freaking sweating from doing all this. Spray again. Got my ears back. Gonna let that set. Now, styling. Not good at that either, but we're gonna do our best. So I want bangs. I'm going where I can feel the lace. The lace is right here. So get the full effect. Start at my nose tip. Yeah, nose tip. Can't turn back now. Trust the process. Trust the process. this is my final look. I just forgot to do that because I was such in a rush earlier. But yeah, this is how it looks. I like it. I feel like as days go by, like it's gonna get to the fullness that I like. But yeah, the only cons I have about this wig is that the cap of the wig is supposed to be for like a bigger head, and so like I had to cut around the wig so my ears weren't like tucked underneath it. There is minimal shedding, which it's not bad. It's like barely shedding, but that's that. But other than that, it's pretty good. It's cute. I love it. Good for the summertime. And yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a good like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, please let me know and I'll give it to you guys. But thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.